To enable or disable dark mode manually in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. To enable dark mode, tap the dark thumbnail. While to disable dark mode, tap the light thumbnail. Alternatively, you can also enable or disable dark mode from the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen with two fingers to open up the quick panel. Or if you have enabled quick setting instant access, you can open up the quick panel by pulling down from the top right corner of the screen. Now you can enable or disable dark mode by tapping the dark mode button. As a note, there are some advantages that you can take when you are activating dark mode in your phone, such as extended battery life and reduced glare and blue light exposure. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.